But I think the parallel here to be drawn is that tennis, just like training, is a one-on-one sport. So on court you're alone, very difficult on your mind psychologically. When you're trading the markets, it's your money, you're making decisions, and that's also very, very difficult, especially when you're losing, when you're winning. Very, very similar to the same feeling on court, although of course in a completely different context. So I really like this parallel, this analogy between the two. We may also be involved in other sporting events which involve sponsoring teams down the line, but for now this for us is a fantastic association in what is a great, great event.
Yes, I mean, of course, we take things one step at a time. We're excited to first have this come to fruition in what we would say in 6 to 8 months, as we've been able to put an event like this together that's world class. Some of the best players, top players in the world, top entertainers, and of course, with what they bring on our effects, the companies, the knowledge around the world that will be able to grow this, and it grows tennis, helps the players, helps the entertainers, and the cities around the world. So, of course, it's one step at a time. We're very excited for this first year to have a successful year, and then move forward to slowly growing as we move forward to 2023, and especially staying in Dubai for some time. We've had great support from RFX, the Dubai Sport Council, and certain areas of the government, and we feel like this is a home at the moment, and like to keep this for a time.
I think a lot of things that have brought us very different things. I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of changes, especially when it comes to such a sport as ours, and it's fairly traditional. But I like the format. I love the idea behind it, and it's great that all the players can, I think, connect to all the audience, and it's something new, something fresh. So I think that's welcome to all of us.
I watch a lot of Rafa Nadal and Maria Sharapova. So yeah, I wanted to be like them, but but after, a little bit after, when I was 10, 11.
Yeah, me too. After. Yeah.
Amazing players, amazing people.
Play mix.
We're just so amazing. I hope so. Yeah.
We want to.
Grigor is super focused on that.
I'm extremely focused. I've been here for 10 days practicing, preparing for the event.
He just said that he's gonna do everything, and we're just gonna relax and have fun.
Yeah,
Watching.
And apparently that's what I'm going to do. We're the Falcons, so I think we like our chances.
We just focus on ourselves.
Focus on ourselves, our side of the net, most important, and then see how it goes. Yeah.